With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, let's discuss the question. Let f p to q defined f of x equal to 4x minus x square is a bijective function if. So let's begin with solution of this question. So basically we have to find the value of this p and q set, that is this domain of this function and codomain of this function if this function is bijective. So first we will just simplify this function. So our given function, this is f of x equal to 4x minus x square. So if we will take a minus common and add plus minus 4, so we get this as f of x, and this will be equal to this minus, here will be x square and here will be minus 4x. So basically this, and if we will just add a plus 4 and minus 4 here, so this will be plus 4 and here will be minus 4. So this minus into this minus, so this will come out to be 4. So here will be 4 minus, and this x square minus 4x plus 4, this will be x minus 2 whole square. So basically this will be our function fx, that is 4 minus x plus 2 whole square. So basically this is a parabola because it contains second degree value of this x, and we can say that this 4 will be the maximum value of this function because this quantity is always positive and its minimum value will be 0 only at x equal to 2. So we can say that vertex of this parabola is at this x equal to 2. So x will be equal to 2 and value of y at that point, that is value of fx, that will be 4. If we will just substitute the x equal to 2, so that will be 4. So basically this is the vertex, and if we will just draw the graph of this function, so if this is the coordinate axis and this x equal to 2 line, so let this will be our x equal to 2 line. So this graph is symmetric about this line x equal to 2. So this graph will be like this, that is decreasing downwards, because if we will increase the value of this x, then this square value will increase and this 4 minus square value will be decreased. So basically this is a decreasing graph on the either side of this x equal to 2, and this value, this point is given as this 2 comma 4. This is our point. So we have to discuss the bijective nature of this function, that where this function is behaving a bijective. So if we will see the either side of any side of this line x equal to 2, then this function is basically bijective. That if we will forget this side of graph, this side of graph is not there, then this graph will act as a bijective, and if we will forget this graph, then this will believe, or we can say this will act as a bijective function. So basically if the value of the range of this function, range of this function, this is varying from this minus infinity, because in the denominator, or we can say in the downwards, this graph is tending to minus infinity. So minimum value will be this minus infinity, and maximum value of this graph, this y equal to 4, so this will be this 4. So basically this is the range. So for bijection function must be surjective and injective. So surjective plus injective, this is the meaning of bijection. So surjective means that domain must be equal to, or we can say codomain of a function must be equal to range. So basically here the codomain is given as this q, so this range must be equal to codomain, so this will be basically the value of q. So in the option, that is minus infinity to minus 4, this will be the value of q. So this option is incorrect and this option is incorrect, that is q cannot be this 4 to infinity, because the graph is not tending above the 4, this is always below the 4 and tending to 4 in the highest condition, that it x equal to 2. So basically these two will be the incorrect answer. Similarly, if we will say that injection, that is this injective property, so injective, for a function to be injective, it must be monotonic, that either it will decrease in sense and either it will increase, that is meaning of this injective is 1 function, 1 function. So basically if we will forget this graph, this side of graph, if we will forget, then this left hand side graph of this x equal to 2, this is behaving as an increasing graph in the value minus infinity to this x equal to 2. So this will be a monotonic function, or we can say this will be a 1 function on this side also and on this side also of this. And if we will consider both the side, then it will be a many one, because if we will consider the whole domain of this function, that is from minus infinity to infinity, then this will come to be a many one function. But if we will consider any domain, that either x belong to this close to infinity, or we can say x belong to minus infinity to this 2, this function is basically 1 1. This function is basically 1 1 in both the domains, but not in the both. They can be or sign, that is either this or either this. So answer to this question will be this, that is this p belongs to 2 to infinity. If this domain of this function, that is p, this will belong to 2 to infinity, and this q belong to minus infinity to minus 4, then this is 1 1 and on 2. So basically this is a bijection, so this will be a correct answer. And similarly, if this p belong to minus infinity to this 2, then here for this side of this graph, this will be minus infinity to this 2. So for this also, this will behave as a bijective, that is 1 1 by this using and onto by this. So this is also a correct answer. So correct answer for this will be both option A and C, A and D. So this will be the answer for this question. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.